So because I'm super kiasu, my group for cinema has completed their presentation. The only group in the class to have completed the presentation before the holidays. So I have just one essay left in that class. And the lecturer's still not giving out the questions. Why? Also, as of when I'm recording this vlog, it's my term break because Thursday is the last day of school for me during the week. And today I went out to find more jobs just to pass my resume around. And the first store I went to, which I was eyeing on for quite a while, it's a little cafe at Queen Vic Market. I went in and I asked if I could get a job, and the girl said, yeah, sure, just pass me your resume and I'll show it to my boss. She looked in, so I was like, is your boss here right now? And she said, yeah, but he's on the phone. I know that when they say we'll get back to you soon, they're never gonna get back. So since the boss was there, I just asked if I could wait for him to be off the phone. So she said, do you want a trial today? Then I was like, yes I do. So I just went in and she showed me the ropes. Still a dishwashing job. It's like I couldn't get enough of my first dishwashing job. I had to get a second one. And I was just hoping that the pay was better because how much lower can you go? So while talking to her and washing dishes and doing other stuff, she told me she was getting paid 10 per hour, and I was just... I mean, it's a nicer place than my current workplace. There's not that many dishes to wash because it's a small kitchen. It's not a restaurant, but it's a cafe instead. And she didn't just show me straight to the sink. She showed me around like how much everything cost, and she showed me how to make coffee as well. And like I can make my own sandwiches if I'm hungry, all that. So the atmosphere is way nicer. The people don't talk Italian around the place. They don't make me feel discriminated, or I don't feel any racism. And the boss is a really old man who's hard of hearing, so I have to speak in a more Australianish accent, even though it's still a shit job. I feel quite fortunate that I found it because my current job is even shittier than this one. For one, this job, this cafe job is closer to my house. Like, how much closer can I get from Melbourne Central? But yeah, I got a closer job, and I will get to learn to make coffee. I also had to drink a cup of coffee out of courtesy just now. And the people treat me nicer. So I guess that's 3 good reasons to be in this job, to swap around. But the days they're gonna give me are completely different from the ones I'm working at the Italian place. So I guess I can work 4 days. And I'll be working on Thursdays right after school, so just rush there after my class. So 4 days of work and 3 days of school, but I'll still have Sunday free. I sound pathetic.
So you've got 4 people on that back stage. Alright, hold on. Let me just look at the people we're missing.
Something's a bit too sharp here.
Alright, 2 a.m.
Was it trying my luck?
No, doesn't work.
What? Look at
Okay, I am
Oh, here you go, have more fishball.
Was it like,
This the fishballs burn at the side.
Huh? Are they burnt? Oh no, they
Like that?
on this street quite often. I saw it on this street quite often.
Really?
Because it never happens.
Like what? Like that?
It never happens.
Yeah.
We'll see.
69
Oh
only.
come on. I will go naked man. Naked.
Pokemon Pong!
It has to cross the threshold of the table so you can shoot it.
But to give us space.
What is she doing? Yoga.
Are you still taking a video?
They're playing fire.
That's fire! What the fuck? Stop
Do we
it!
have a lot? Are you gonna send me to
Yeah, we
detention?
got in a
Yes.
last year, so watch out.
That's fucked up.
No!
Dude, we got fire alarm. We got the
What
smoke
the fuck?
detector.
Yes, it's not working, guys.
Kayaknya buat
nggak ada live band.
nggak ada. Kita nggak ada live band.
Three pancakes because team mystic.
You can take it. No, you take a picture first. Okay, take a picture. Okay, now. What? Wait, many people do like
That's mine, okay? It's not anyone else.
No, I can't. That's not it. These four lonely walls have changed the way I feel. The way I feel. Standing still. Nothing else matters now. You're not here. So where are you? I've been calling you. I'm missing you. Where else can I go? Where else can I go? Chasing you. Chasing you. Memories turn to dust. I got you. I got you. Running, 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 and running for myself. Forget who you waiting on. I'm ready to face it all. If I lose myself. Alright.
Metro pollination.
No need lah, this one no need lah, use two hands. This one cannot. Because it's chocolate. Hey, wait. Ah, the draw.
Okay, first one.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, loud lah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Oria. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Thank you. Wait, must take me first, right? So the dog blow the candle for you. Okay. Okay.
Yay.